Hello everybody and welcome on the tracks of the beautiful tram. We're about to introduce a very interesting duplex apartment. Up there, 2 floors, 230 square meters, 2 parking places, this and this, they're very generous. This is a little common garden, and what's really impressive is this, the view you have on the city, the view you have on the sea. This is what Via Romagna is all about. 230 square meters, everything brand new. We have a very good insulation, both thermically and sound-wise. This is a part which puts a smile on my face. You have a straight view on Piazza Unità. Straight up there, there's this castle of Miramare. Then there's a dining area and a kitchen. Second bathroom with shower or the greatest view ever. 2 bedrooms on the lower floor, stairs, upper floor, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and 2 very wide terraces. This is yet another bedroom with a private bathroom and another terrace. This view is what money can buy you here in Via Romagna. You can find the 3D tour in the description, triestevillas.com. See you next time.